And now the next case.
All parties in the matter of King versus Mistake.
Kathleen King is suing her cousin's boyfriend, Edward Mistake, for illegally repossessing a Cutlass Supreme he sold her. Edward claims Kathleen refused to insure the vehicle.
Ms. King, the defendant is your cousin's boyfriend.
Yes, ma'am.
The relationship. And you purchased a car from him.
Yes.
You purchased a car from him for $2,000, according to your complaint. You gave him a $500 deposit with an agreement to pay him $250 a month until the balance was paid. You paid him an additional $250, the first month's payment. He does not deny that, correct?
I do not deny that.
$750 is what you paid him. During the month that you had the car, according to you, you also put some money into the car to get it running. That I'm not considering, madam. You buy a used car that's how old? How old was this car you sold?
1990.
1990.
Yep.
You buy a 16-year-old own peril. Anybody with half a noodle understands that. So I'm not considering any of the money that you put into the car. Right now, I'm considering the $750 that you gave him for the car in a period of 1 month. And then Mr. Mistake repossessed the car.
Correct.
And he says he repossessed the car because you told her that she had to have full insurance on the car, which includes collision as well as liability, and she didn't have full insurance on the car.
Correct.
Can I see your contract? The contract that you executed, that both of you signed, reads as follows. I, Edward A. Mistake, am selling my 1990 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme to Kathy for $2,000 in as-is condition. You signed it and she signed it. So where, sir, do you think that you have the right to add an additional condition to this contract?
When I initially went to sell her the car, she agreed to getting full coverage. I wrote out a...
Listen to me very carefully. This is your contract.
Yep.
With her.
Yep.
Period. If you wanted as a condition of this sale that she had full coverage on the car until you were completely paid, you put it in the contract. You get me?
I'm not a car dealer, Your Honor.
I don't give a rat's two whether you're a car dealer or whether you repair antennas on Mars. If you have a contract with her, you have absolutely no right, if she has fulfilled her terms of the contract, to take the car back. Put your hand down. Where is the car?
I have it.
It goes back to her.
To rent a car for a month
Listen
and a half...
to me, sir, very carefully. Sir, I am preparing an order which will be executed by a marshal. The car goes back to her. You have sold it to her. You cannot repossess the car on any other condition.
I have a witness stating that she take this piece back. The car's not worth it.
Listen to me. If she doesn't want the car back, Mr. Mistake,
yep,
she's going to tell me. And if she doesn't want the car back, then she gets nothing because she made an agreement. Now, I only have one question for you, Miss King. Do you want this car back?
If I'm not going to get the money back.
You are not getting the money, madam, because he is going to give you the car, which is what you bargained for. But then you have to pay him. Do you understand?
I understand.
Very good. I will sign an order. The marshal will execute that order. You get your car back, madam, and you start paying him the money. Thank you very much. That's all.
By the excuse, you may step out.
She wasn't happy with the car, and she, you know, I could take it back, and now they're giving her the car back.
I'm not too happy. I didn't want the car back. I wanted my money back.
The plaintiff's my cousin. She knew beforehand, before she even got the vehicle, that she needed full insurance.
They took advantage of me.
I'm done with it. I don't need to have a cousin. I have plenty of